Meet the all-new 2026 Toyota TitanX 6x6 Expedition Motorhome, an unstoppable giant built for those who want to conquer every landscape in absolute luxury. From the very first look, the exterior tells a story of power, engineering, and adventure-ready toughness. The bold oversized off-road tires, heavy-duty suspension, and six-wheel traction system give this machine the confidence to travel where roads don't exist. Its bright Expedition orange body stands out like a beacon, designed to survive extreme climates while still looking premium and futuristic. The front end carries Toyota's rugged signature design with deep-set LED lights, a reinforced bumper, and a high-mounted winch system. Every panel, vent, and storage compartment is placed with purpose, ensuring maximum durability and maximum usability. The roof-mounted gear carriers, solar panels, and aerodynamic racks complete the TitanX's identity as a true go-anywhere 6x6 motorhome. Whether you see it in the showroom or out in the wilderness, the exterior presence is powerful, intimidating, and absolutely unforgettable, a true king of luxury expedition travel. Inside the cabin, the steering cockpit blends adventure with comfort through a wide panoramic windshield, premium seats, digital screens, and a commanding 6x6 control interface that makes you feel in charge of any terrain ahead. The bedroom area is designed as a private luxury retreat where comfort is the #1 priority. Soft ambient lighting, premium fabrics, and a full-size bed create a hotel-like atmosphere in the middle of the wilderness. Large windows on both sides make the room feel wide and open while still offering complete privacy. Smart storage compartments seamlessly integrate into the walls, giving you space for clothing and gear without cluttering the room. The climate control system maintains the bedroom temperature perfectly, whether you're parked in a snowy mountain range or in the middle of a blazing desert. With its relaxing tones, soft textures, and peaceful environment, this bedroom turns the TitanX into more than a motorhome. It becomes a personal luxury suite on wheels where every night feels calm, quiet, and deeply restful. The kitchen is built for serious travelers who don't want to compromise on cooking. Featuring a full-sized countertop, induction cooktop, stainless steel sink, and a smart refrigerator, the layout is optimized for efficiency and ease. High-quality cabinets offer plenty of storage, while soft-touch drawers give the kitchen a premium feel. LED lighting highlights every surface, creating a modern and inviting cooking space. Whether you're preparing a quick meal or a full dinner, the kitchen remains steady even on rough terrain thanks to vibration-resistant fixtures. The materials used are heat-resistant, scratch-proof, and built to last for years of adventure. This kitchen brings home-style convenience straight into the heart of the TitanX, making every journey deliciously comfortable. The washroom is designed to offer spa-like luxury in a compact, highly efficient layout. With a spacious shower area, rainfall shower head, and temperature-stable water system, it transforms daily routines into moments of relaxation. The ceramic toilet, high-quality sink, and illuminated vanity mirror enhance the premium feel of the space. Moisture-proof walls keep the washroom fresh and easy to clean, even during long-distance trips in humid environments. Smart ventilation maintains airflow, while hidden storage compartments help organize toiletries neatly. The washroom's elegant design, soft lighting, and durable materials prove that even in the toughest environments, you can still enjoy comfort, hygiene, and a touch of luxury that the TitanX 6x6 is known for. As the journey ends, the 2026 Toyota TitanX 6x6 stands tall and proud once again. Its massive stance, futuristic design, and off-road readiness remind you that this is not just a motorhome, it's a lifestyle. The rugged exterior panels, iconic orange finish, and expedition-grade accessories shine with confidence, ready for the next adventure. Every angle shows strength, precision, and years of Toyota engineering perfection. As you walk away, you realize the TitanX isn't just built for travel, it's built for those who dream big, explore further, and demand more from every journey. This 6x6 Titan doesn't just take you places, it takes you beyond.